from the booster. Just under 30 seconds from launch. Second umbilical now separating from the tower, marking less than 15 seconds. The engine's igniting.
Crank it up.
Ramping up. And liftoff. The year in space starts now. Kelly, Kornienko, and Padalka on their way towards the International Space Station. Getting good first stage performance. The Soyuz delivering about 930,000 pounds of thrust through its 4 strap-on boosters and single engine. Getting reports, nominal operation, the first stage measuring 68 feet in length and 24 feet in diameter, burning liquid fuel for the first 2 minutes and 6 seconds into the flight.
Gradually, copy. 40 seconds into the flight, stabilization is stable.
Continuing to get views from the cabin inside, as you heard NASA astronaut Reed Wiseman, a fairly smooth flight into orbit for these crew members.
60 seconds. Pitch, yaw, and roll are all nominal. Copy. We feel.
As we come up on 70 seconds into the flight, the velocity will be just around 1,100 miles per hour. Continuing to get good data from the Soyuz craft.
80 seconds. All parameters of the control system are nominal.
The crew looking good inside. Again, Padalka in the center, Kornienko on the top of your screen.
All parameters of the structure are nominal. Copy, everything is fine on board. We are feeling good. The shroud is jettisoned. Copy. The first stage is separated.
So at this point, the escape tower has been jettisoned. The 4 strap-on boosters of the first stage have also been jettisoned, completing their drop. They've dropped away at an altitude of about 28 statute miles. Soyuz right now traveling at about 3,350 miles an hour.
150.
Continuing to hear good things from the mission controllers over in the Russian Mission Control Center in Koryov. The crew continuing to feed reports in good health. The vehicle operating flawlessly so far. At this point, we're over 3 minutes into launch. Since launch, Soyuz craft now passing a speed of over 4,700 miles an hour. Getting a look now at NASA astronaut Scott Kelly there on the right seat. Giving a big thumbs up.
I bet.
200 seconds into the flight, the thrusters of the second stage are functioning nominally. Copy, everything is fine on board. We are feeling good.
So the core stage, which makes up both the first and the second, is continuing to perform as expected. That core stage, 56 feet in length, 13.5 feet in diameter, has 1 single engine with 4 fuel chambers. Is able to provide between 178,000 and 222,000 pounds of thrust, depending on the altitude and the outside pressure. It's going to fire for 3 minutes and 28 seconds.
Copy.
It'll burn until the 4-minute, 43-second mark. And then the Soyuz will use what's known as a hot stage technique, where the third stage will ignite while the second is still burning. This being the reason for the Soyuz to have that small open area in between the second and third stages.
250 seconds into the flight. structure, a nominal copy